Hello, I'm Mark Stream, PSHN3L. History of bartending. Early days. In the 15th century, bartenders were known as innkeepers, and they usually produced their own alcohol or drink base. The practice of bartending can be traced back to the Greek and Roman eras when they relied on expert craftsmen to pour their favorite drinks. The history of bartending is a fascinating journey that dates back centuries, evolving alongside the development of alcoholic beverages and social culture. Today, bartending has become a respected profession with skilled mixologists crafting unique and innovative drinks in bars and restaurants worldwide. Bartenders continue to push the boundaries of mixology, incorporating fresh ingredients, homemade syrups, and unique flavor combination. Now, we answer the four guided question. First question is, how do you think the history of bartending affected our present situation? The, his- the history of bartending reflects the evolution of human socializing and our enduring fascination with alcoholic beverages. From the ancient taverns to the modern craft cocktail renaissance, bartending has evolved into a sophisticated art form where the skillful blending of flavors and the creation of memorable experience takes center stage. Second question is, who is the first bartender in the world? The first bartender in the world is Jeremiah or Jerry P. Thomas. He was an American bartender who owned and operated salon in New York City. Because of his pioneering work in popularizing cocktails across the US as well, he is considered the father of American mixology. Third question is, which country are pretty active in bartending? Also, the active country in bartending is Australia. It is the number one best country to work as a bartender, with a total of 13,000 open bartending jobs. In Australia, the average bartender salary is 24 24.29 Australian dollar per hour, or in Philippine peso is 1,798.83 centavos. The last question is, what is the purpose of bartending in society? For me, the primary purpose of bartender is to deliver warm and welcoming customer service and to give your guests the best nights of their lives. Making drink is a byproduct of this function, and also bartender work directly with customers by mixing and serving orders. Their responsibilities include verifying age requirements, knowing alcohol pairing and taste, knowing how to make traditional and classic drinks, processing payments, managing inventory, and cleaning bar supplies. For me, the bartending is the best job because you can enjoy interacting people and of course you can have more tip in our customer. Yeah. Thank you.